Hello students, today we will start a new chapter from accountancy and the name of the chapter is Cash Book. Now cash book is also known as books of original entry. Why? Because we can also record the cash transactions first of all in cash book. Instead of recording it in journal, we can directly record those transactions in cash book. Remember, cash book will be recording only the cash transaction, that is cash sales and cash purchase. The credit sales and credit purchase will be recorded in the purchase book as and sales book. Okay, so cash book is also a books of original entry, and as well as it is an books subsidiary books. Okay, so now we will learn in details about the definition and meaning of cash book. So here we have the meaning of cash book. A cash book is set up as a subsidiary to the general ledger in which all cash transactions made during an accounting period are recorded in chronological order. That means cash book is also treated as a journal and a ledger. That means whenever a cash transaction happens, we can directly record it in the cash book, and we can also, since it is a ledger also, so we can record that cash transactions in cash book. Okay, so that is why it is known as a generalized ledger. Always remember, cash book can be also called as a generalized ledger, as because it is a subsidiary book as well as an books of original entry. Okay, now what do we record here? We record all the cash payments, cash receipts, and cash transactions. Whatever cash transactions will happen will be recorded in the cash book. No credit transactions will be recorded. Okay, now we will move on to now we will move on to the types of cash book. So here we have the types of cash book. Basically there are four major types of cash book. First one is a single column cash book. This records only the cash transactions. Okay. Then we have a double column or two column cash book to record cash as well as bank transactions. Okay. Then double column cash book can be also used for recording cash transaction and discount transactions, but generally we do not do so. The discounted amount is recorded in the journal, and the cash amount that we are receiving, that is recorded in the cash book. Okay, so basically we consider double column cash book with cash and bank column, right? Then we have triple column cash book, which records cash, bank and purchase discount and sales discount. Okay, and then the fourth category is a petty cash book, which records all the day-to-day petty cash expenses. Like there are various kinds of expenses that is occurred in a business, like suppose stationaries purchased, then all those things which we will be learning in the subsequent classes. So basically remember, there are four kinds of cash book: single column, double column, triple column and petty cash book. Okay, now we will move on to the features of cash book. So now here we have the features of cash book. First one is records only cash and bank transactions. As I told you earlier also, that cash book will be only recording cash transactions, no credit transactions. Okay. Number two is transactions are recorded in chronological order. Chronological order means date wise. We are recording the transactions date wise as and when they are occurring. Okay. Then we have cash column cannot have credit balance. Yes, that means when we are not recording the credit amount in the cash book, so obviously we will not record any credit amount in the cash column. Then it is similar to journal, because as I told you that instead of recording the cash transactions first of all in journal, we can directly transfer them to the cash book. Okay, next it is similar to ledger, because it has a debit column as well as a credit column, so it is similar to the format of a ledger, and we also consider it as a cash account because it shows us the details of all the cash transactions that is happening in a business during a year, okay, or during a accounting period. So that is why it is also considered as a cash ledger account. Okay, and then journal and ledger both, so it is a generalized ledger. I have explained this. before also. That is, we can treat it as journal as well as we can treat it as ledger. So these are the basic features of cash book. Today we will conclude the video here only, and if you face any problem, kindly contact me. Thank you, children.